Conjo. Hi my gardening angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a few chores around the property here. This is not my property, fair warning, this is my parents', but my little sister and I are going to be doing some chores today. We have a lot on our to-do list, so I'm excited to get those checked off, I guess. But before we jump into the chores, I wanted to show you a tool that I'm going to be using today and how I'm going to pack it up to do the chores. So I got sent this really awesome garden wagon, so I'm going to do a quick little review on that for you. I think it'll be a really great tool, and we'll put it to the test today and really figure out what it's capable of. Alright guys, so this is the wagon. I am so excited. It's supposed to be a camping wagon. I'll include a link to it below, but I think it's going to make a perfect gardening wagon. So I just have to put it together. It's currently super compact so that I can take it places, load it up, you know, put it in storage, whatever I need during the winter. It has 4 super big, super durable wheels that should displace the weight of whatever you throw in here. I'm gonna put it together really quick and see how simple that is, and we'll test it out. Alright, so this is the wagon all put together. It's quite large. It has this hard removable bottom for easy collapsing. It has a little handle so that you can just pop it up, push it down to stretch it out. Then you just put the bottom in. Here they have a nice pocket that hangs over the side. You can store whatever you need. I'm just putting the case for it, and then it has 3 pretty large size pockets that are going to be perfect for other supplies. This is the rope that just ties it all up together for easy storage and maintenance. And then here's the handle, and it collapses or can click into place via this clasp right here. And then on top of that there are 2 cup holes for your water and I don't know, maybe bug spray. But let's put it to the test.
Number 1, can it hold a small child?
Test number 2, can it hold a large child? All right, what are we doing?
Going to go get eggs.
Yep. All right, let's go. Got a lot of them? Hold on, let me see. Wow. Might want to go grab the egg carton. Oh yeah, did it feel good? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Good chicken, yeah. Is that all of them? Bean. Hi. Hi. Hi, Kona. Hi. What are you doing? That's not the way to go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's sassy. Alright guys, so really we didn't have that many chores, but we wanted to test out this garden wagon. We ran it over rocks and gravel and the grass. Radit got pulled in it, so it's pretty heavy duty. I'm pretty impressed with it. I'm excited to use it for more extensive things and more like larger projects. I think it'd be good for, you know, transporting firewood or dirt or chicken feed or something a little bit heavier that you don't want to break your back over. I'll show you how I'm going to fold it back up and put it in its little cover because there's a little process to it, but overall I'm really happy with it. So don't forget you can check it out for yourself down below. I bought it through Amazon, so it can be to you in just a few days. But yeah, overall I like it. And we got a lot of eggs, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. The handle also tucks in. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.